Hello, welcome to Awin's interface tutorial videos. Today we're going to talk about the Opportunity Marketplace. The Opportunity Marketplace is a helpful tool that lets publishers list, manage, and promote all of the advertising options that are available on their website. They are then viewed and considered by the advertisers on Awin in an easy-to-use directory. From the dashboard, go to Publishers and click on the Opportunity Marketplace. This is the Opportunity Marketplace. Here, you will see all offers available to you from publishers both joined to your platform and also not joined to your platform. On the left-hand side, there are many options that will allow you to filter the Opportunity Marketplace. Here you are able to search directly for publishers or keywords, filter by payment model, such as CPA or fixed price, and also filter by region or sector to help you find the right offer for you. If you do see an offer that is right for you, click the Make Offer button. This will bring up a separate window where you can send your own communication to the publisher relating to that offer. To do this, just enter your name, email, and your comments, then click Send Email to Publisher. From here, you can continue the conversation with the selected publisher via email. Thank you for listening to Awin's tutorial video. For more information on the Opportunity Marketplace, please visit our online wiki.